Good evening, guys. It's been a while since I haven't uploaded any videos because I was sick. And before starting the video, I would like to thank each and every one of you for, like giving me the 1K subscribers, even though like I'm not deserving. I don't have much to say, but to all the people who are like recently subscribing to my channel, I would like to thank you with all my heart because like the little subscribers that I have like keeps me going and making more videos. On the days to come, I might be making even more better videos. So until then, I want you guys to support me and then be with me through this journey. And without further ado, let's get straight to the video in 3, 2, 1. Let's go.